Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to tell you like how you can cancel, or you can say how you can return your order related to Emily Morgan store. Okay, so I have already make a video on this website, like it's a legit website or it's a scam website, and many of the users, or you can say lots of customers have make orders on this website, and when they receive the product, the quality of the product is not too good and they want to return their product. So how they can return? So my dear friends, I want to inform you, like this is the platform, like Emily Morgan store. But when we are try to opening this website right now, it's not opening. The store name is changed, like Disney something else is like changed the name. They have changed their name, and right now the website is totally changed. Okay, so right now the website is opening on different platform, or you can say with different name. Okay, so I want to inform you only this thing: if you have make any order on this website, you have to accept the order, otherwise you can't do anything. You have lost your money. So I have already warned in my video, and as you can see, this is my video, and there are lots of videos. You can say there are lots of videos available on internet, and I have also make a video on this topic, like this is my video, and in this video I have already informed, please don't purchase any kind of order on these kind of stores. All stores are, you can say, fake, and they can disappear from internet anytime. So this is also the same store. Now right now this is not working anymore and you cannot return your product. So this is my information for you. You have to accept the truth and you cannot return your product. Okay, my dear friends, and if you really want to return your product, if you want to try to return your product, then you can do it. Like you have to send them an email address, and you need to compose an email, and you need to contact with the customer support team. They will reply you or not, it's totally depend in their hand. Okay, so in my according to my experience, you cannot return your product. Okay, my dear friends, so thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.